Hey guys, Sylvia here. Welcome all. Welcome to my quick video. Hello from beautiful, however, super rainy London. Well, as per usual. Yeah, just a quick video. It's not a review, guys. It's just to give you a heads up about what's happening tomorrow. Tomorrow is going to be an epic day in the affiliate marketing world. Because quite a phenomenal product is launching, or shall I say relaunching, is an updated version of a product that was released a few years ago called BLOX. Now it's BLOX 2.0, okay, because it's the version 2, or how do they sell it? Not volume 2, version 2, right? Okay, so just to give you a heads up of what's happening, I will attach the link to the webinar below my review. Go check it out. Okay, this product is going, let me take you, well, actually, I have just finished going through the whole thing, okay, the whole system, okay, called BLOX 2.0. I am feeling quite overwhelmed at the moment. Okay, I'm not quite ready to review it as such. Well, there's no rush. It is going live tomorrow. So, but I will post my review before the product actually launches. And I still need to collect my thoughts and just to give you the best sort of understanding what this product is all about, how you will benefit from it. But to put it briefly, guys, this is unlike anything I have reviewed so far, and I have reviewed how many products? I mean, I think I have around 400 videos on my channel at least, okay, by now. And I have been doing this for over 2 years. And yeah, unlike anything I have reviewed so far, this is an affiliate sort of, it's good for affiliate marketers, it's good for product creators, anyone who wants to market, okay, who wants to make money by selling. Well, marketing, making sales, right? That's what it all comes down to. But the creators of this product, these guys too, Mark Bishop and John Merrick, okay, they just came from a different angle of approaching the whole affiliate marketing game, because what a lot of marketers, including myself, typically do, we do the review, we do the so-called launch jacking. So the products come out, yeah, so they are just being launched on various platforms, say Warrior Plus, JVZoo, ClickBank, you name it, okay, Max Bounty, you name it. We do a review, we offer some bonuses as incentive for people to buy via our links, and that's all fine. It works. It totally works. A lot of people do that. But there is a lot of competition amongst affiliate marketers as well, because it's like, unless people really get to like you, for example, I hope you like me, okay, and you'd buy regardless of the bonuses I give you, even though I know it's nice to deliver extra value, and I try and do that. That's why before I actually sit down and do the review, I need to also think of the bonuses I'm going to offer you and stuff like that. Okay, so it's important. It is important because it's an extra value. However, I find often people buy from me regardless of me offering any bonuses as such, because there is this trust factor and liking someone factor. It all matters, okay? It's all very important. But just kind of diverting from that for a bit, back to this approach and this method, it's different because the creators of this system figured out a very smart marketing way of selling, okay? By giving the so-called BLOX magnet first. So you would create a very high value block magnet that you'd offer upfront as sort of free product. However, under this is a smart trick, because people would only be able to access this high value. So make sure it's something phenomenal. And if you don't have anything in mind that you could like create or sell to give away as a BLOX magnet, they are done for you. Products. There are some amazing upsells you can purchase, and you can use their like beautiful systems, beautiful magnets, all done for you. And it is really, once you've gone through the system, the training, you understand it. It's all done within seconds, and you can reuse this system to promote various products. You just change the product name and change your affiliate link. All right. So you tempt people with a huge, phenomenal value product upfront first, and then you will have this like structure of a flip page, this page, that page, and you collect email leads in the process as well. You grow your email list. You can, retarget your subscribers. Like sell more to them in the future. All right. But all of that will be covered in my tomorrow's review. Okay, so I'm not going to give away too many details, but what I would recommend you guys to do, and do it before the product launches, is go to the link below my review. As you can see, this link here will take you to the, will ask you to sign up for the webinar. So you click here to register for the BLOX Presentation. And as you can see, this product goes live tomorrow on the 11th of May, 11 a.m. New York time, but here it says 10:30 because the presentation, which is live, I even asked Mark, the vendor, one of the vendors, if he could give me the link to perhaps pre-recorded webinar so I could watch it before I shoot my review. And Mark was like, no, it is live. It is tomorrow. There's no way I can give you the link. I was like, all right. Okay, so I'm going to be watching as well, because why? Well, I'll show you why. Because I have registered myself. Here is my Gmail, account. And I will be joining you. Hopefully you will be joining me too. Okay. This webinar is something I'm really looking forward to because I'm buying the system myself. This is something anyone can benefit from, regardless of how advanced you are, regardless of whether you're a beginner or quite advanced. This is a system, a very smart system that will come in super handy at some point on your affiliate marketing journey, on your marketing journey in general, as a product creator as well. Okay, so I want that system, even though Mark, the vendor, gave me the review access. I have gone everything. I have the knowledge in my head. It's like I'm still buying it because I know I will use it in the future. So yeah, I'm super excited. And the important thing is, do sign up for this webinar, because it's only those who will attend the webinar will get some freebies as well, a super cool freebie, and a discount on the front price, a discount of $5. So it says here in the email I have received from them that Plus will give all attendees a discount code for BLOX, and the code the coupon will be for $5, so quite a lot of money you can save on the front end. And plus, all of the attendees will receive this bonus system, which they have used to make over $270 in 2 days, and they will be giving it away, during the launch period, but only, guys, if you actually attend the only 30 minutes presentation before the product launches, 10 a.m. New York time. Okay, so this is like I think this FIS stands for Free Instruction System, something like that. Okay, I forgot the name. Excuse me, sorry about that. Apologies, but something like that. So some extra reasons to attend this webinar. Plus, during the webinar they will be giving you this, the vendors will be giving you the overview of the system. And, you know, they will present the results, they will present the case studies. There are plenty of case studies, even if you check out here, the recent, and, you know, people are loving the system. And I'm not surprised why. Okay, I have gone through the whole training. I mean, there's so many training videos to go through. Okay, and together with the training videos, you will also have sort of like PDF, like you see this one is about 38 pages. There's another one, a few PDF instructions as well. So it is like, you really have no excuses. The system works. You have all of the information you will need to put this beast into action, okay, and help you produce good results. I mean, impressive results you will be happy with. Again, as long as you stick your head in the game and actually do it and implement what the system teaches, because no one can guarantee you results. At the end of the day, it comes down to your approach, to your work ethic, your mindset, how much you want to succeed. So, you know, there's obviously a few factors that need to be taken into consideration, but the system surely works. It has been around for a few years. It's an updated version. And guys, please, if you're smart, if you want to squeeze it like a lemon, the system, then join this webinar, and you will love it. So again, the webinar, the presentation is not a webinar as such. They call it pre-launch free presentation, okay? And that's your registration. So just scroll down, click here, and then after you've registered, you will receive the same email I have received from them. And yeah, see you there. I mean, see you virtually, okay? And yeah, not all, the link is below this video. Alright guys, love you and leave you, and tomorrow my review is coming up, so come back for the review. Bye, take care, have a great night. It's quite late here in London, and I was like, it's late now. I've gone through the whole product. I have like too much sort of chaos in my head. I'm not gonna shoot a review today because it's not gonna come out nice. I like to organize my thoughts first, you know, jot things down, and then I'll think about the bonuses I'm gonna give you as well. So yeah, plus it's quite late, so my beauty sleep is important too. All right, love you and leave you. Bye.